Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an essential topic for those of you dreaming owning your own home. Can you afford a house? Buying a house is a big decision, and in this video we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to determine if home ownership is within your reach. We'll also discuss the key factors and strategies to make it happen. So if you're ready to take the first step towards your dream home, stay tuned. First step is to define your home ownership goals. Before you can determine if you can afford a house, you need to clarify home ownership goals. Do you want a starter home, forever home, or investment property? Understanding your goals is crucial. Second, assess your financial situation. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. To see if you can afford a house, start by examining your current financial situation. You should calculate your income, determining your monthly and annual income from all sources. List your expenses, creating a detailed list of your monthly expenses, including bills, groceries, and discretionary spending. Take stock of any outstanding debts like student loans or credit card balances. Step 3, we're going to talk about the 28-36 rule. Understanding the 28-36 rule. A crucial concept in home ownership affordability is the 28-36 rule. This rule suggests that your monthly housing costs, including mortgage insurance and property taxes, should not exceed 28% of your gross monthly income. Your total debt payments, including housing costs, should not exceed 36%. Step 4, we're going to calculate your budget. Calculating your budget to see if you can afford a house. You want to create a budget. Start by estimating home ownership costs. Consider mortgage payments, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and potential maintenance expenses. Calculating your down payment determines how much you can afford to put down up front. A larger down payment can lower your monthly costs. Step 5, credit score and pre-approval. Your credit score plays a significant role in mortgage approval and interest rates. Make sure your credit is in good shape, then seek pre-approval from a lender. It helps to understand how much you can borrow and narrows down your housing search. Step 6, home affordability calculations. Take advantage of online tools and calculators. They can provide estimates of your potential monthly payments based on your financial information. Saving for a down payment. A substantial down payment can significantly impact your affordability. Explore saving strategies like cutting unnecessary expenses and setting up automated savings. Explore government programs. There are various government programs designed to help you first-time home buyers with down payment and reduce interest rates. Research these options to see if you qualify. Step 9, consult a real estate agent. Consult a real estate agent. A professional real estate agent can help you find homes that align with your budget and your goals. Their expertise can be invaluable in your journey. And in conclusion, determining if you can afford a house is a step-by-step process that begins with defining your goals and assessing your financial situation. By understanding the 28-36 rule, creating a budget, and checking your credit, you're well on your way. Remember to save for a down payment, explore government programs, and consult a real estate agent. So are you ready to start your home ownership search? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make a note in the comments and say, hey, I subscribed, and I'll get back with you and I'll make a comment also. Well, thanks for watching. And again, this is Ty Swinton with Berkshire After Texas Realty, your Austin Realtor, and I appreciate you checking in. And as always, remember that this video is a guide and it's crucial to consult with financial professionals and experts when making significant financial decisions. Good luck on your path to home ownership.